Hey guys, if you have problems with the roof and doesn't want to open, there's a few things can be wrong with it. I had that issue. So on mine, the level was low. There was almost none of it. I still might need to put in some more, but the level should be from here to here. And to do that, if you want to pour the oil in, what I found works is take this screw off and just pry it a little bit, take extension, and it's gonna be right in there, and it's that one. If you can see it, that one right there. You unscrew it. What worked for me is from the top through here, but you have to open this off first, pull it, and extension, and that's how you, like an Allen wrench, and you take it off right there. Take that bolt screw off, and with the funnel slowly fill it up. Make sure you don't go above, so the measurement's right here, and that might fix your problem if it's low. And that's the first thing I would do. Also, my roof didn't work, and then my rear windows wouldn't close up, and it fixed the roof and the rear windows start working. Also, make sure this thing all the way out like this. Sometimes the sensor right here can go wrong. Also might want to check this as well. Or the most expensive one's probably the motor. If it's spinning, most likely it's working, but if it's not, it doesn't make any noise, it might be the motor. But also, before that, you might want to double check your relay. Make sure it really works. Sometimes these might go out, so what you want to do is replace this first before you replace the motor. And the part number for this is, for the motor, is A170-800-0030 if you want to replace the motor. And then I believe it's 1 and 2 screws here, I mean the nuts. And then make sure you take off these lines too, but make sure you mark them or remember where they go before you take them off. And I think that's pretty much most of it. And sometimes when you put oil and it keeps draining, leaking, you might have some other issues. Somewhere it's leaking, either the lines or your shocks or whatever they call them right here. They might be leaking if it goes away every time you fill it up. Hopefully that helps somebody to solve the problem. If it did, comment below. If it didn't, or if you know any other problems that can happen with the roof, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace out.